In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to deposit or withdraw on OKX wallet. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to deposit or withdraw on OKX. So in order to deposit or withdraw on OKX, what you have to do is first of all log in into your OKX wallet application. So when you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page, and from here go to assets. As you press the assets button, here you could go and press the deposit button, and then you could go ahead and start depositing funds into your OKX wallet account. When you're done depositing the funds, then to withdraw it, you could go ahead and press the trade button, and next you could go ahead and select withdraw, or you could just select the sell button. As you've done that, you'll need to go ahead and enter the exact amount, select the cryptocurrency, all of that, confirm the transaction, and you've successfully deposited and withdraw on OKX crypto exchange. So by following the steps, you should be able to deposit or withdraw on OKX wallet. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.